Most people will tell you to build something original in 2025. But here's the honest truth. You can take a $10 million business and just scale it down or provide it to a different customer segment and make less money but use the same business idea. Today I'll show you what to code in 2025. From small AI agents or AI project to passive income micro projects. Even if you're stuck thinking that you actually have no good ideas. When I first got into coding, or more specific, building my own projects, I was building stuff that really had no audience. Stuff that nobody really wanted to use. I first thought that every single project I have to build has to be the next Facebook or has to be the next big thing. But the reality, most successful developers are just building simple things. Simple but useful. And improving what already works. In this video I'll break down what you should code in 2025, how to spot good ideas, and I'll share you some quick builds you can start doing today. Let's start with something that nobody actually speaks about openly. You don't need to build a new GPT. You can just build something using GPT. Here, for example, are 3 simple AI-powered projects you can do in 2025. AI Note Summarizer. You might think that there's already tons of AI note summarizers, but think of your audience. Think of what kind of audience you want. You want to build the summarizer for a specific audience. Your audience can be artists or CEOs or high-profile individuals, or you just pick an audience and craft the AI summarizer so it provides the best value to that certain type of audience. Another one, image caption generator. For just content creators wanting to quickly publish their content using captions. So the generator could take the input from the image and just generate multiple caption options for that specific image. Then another one could be, this is a very stereotypical one, the habit tracker. Build an AI-powered habit tracker that improves the habits and that adapts based on your routines. So if some habit is something that you could never get done, the AI habit tracker would maybe tell you to actually get rid of that habit or make it a bit more easier so you can actually get it done. And with tools today available, OpenAI, Replicate, and multiple open source projects, you can make a tool or an application in just a weekend. Actually, let me know down below which one do you think is better for you. AI tools or automation scripts? Which one would you rather build? Now, you are your first customer. So build something that solves a daily problem you might have. Because you already have one customer, so you just need to advertise it forward. But you can already get validation from yourself. If the application actually helps you with your daily issue, that's a win-win. I call these micro tools, something that help with just a simple problem every day. It's a simple problem you might be facing every single day, just an application for that one. Possibly a local event finder for small towns, maybe something like a YouTube workflow automation that automatically generates an optimized calendar for you when to post your videos and your shorts, something like that. Something that solves a very simple problem. These aren't really flashy, but they are needed, and they can provide you with passive income if monetized correctly. Another very important point is coding should be fun, and not maybe all the time, but if you have the chance for it, make coding fun. Not every single project needs to be monetized. Like right now I'm trying to build an online platform where you can play tons of different card games and you can actually create your own card games. And I really want to keep that for free so it's easily attainable for everybody. But the key thing is that every single project should teach you something. So if you're making something super simple that actually doesn't teach you anything and you're coding it for fun, that's not very beneficial. You should code something for fun, but also get something out of it in terms of learning new skills. For example, it could be like a daily puzzle, a mini puzzle game you can send your friends. Something simple, something fun. Learning is 10 times faster if you're having fun and if you're actually motivated. The things you're learning will stick to your brain so much better if you actually have motivation. I have personally like realized this multiple times. If I'm studying something I'm super interested about, I will learn it so quickly compared to something I'm not interested about at all, which I will probably actually forget. So make something that's fun, that you'll have the excitement when building it. Okay, let's move forward to another theme I want to talk about. One-day projects. Sometimes people just need a quick win. Something that you can code in a day or two. Like a custom link shortener with analytics, just your own simple personal dashboard for tracking goals or tracking, I don't know, money goals or anything. Just your own simple, very quickly done, something very simple. A newsletter curator that is basically a web scraper that will only fetch articles that interest you. That could be something very beneficial. So it would just fetch online, like it would be a web scraper that it would fetch all kinds of articles online which it thinks that interest you, or you have either made a profile there and it knows that these and these articles are actually interesting to you. These are perfect for sharpening your skills, learning, and having something to show off also, so your resume gets updated. Moving on to the next segment, open source and learning what is hot right now, so what is trending right now. If you want to grow your skills for free, you should maybe contribute to an open source project. You will be able to see tons of code from other coders, take example from it, or even possibly improve it. You actually learn from real world workflows. That's a bit difficult with my accents. While also doing that, you'll be building your public portfolio. And when building open source project, you actually see what is hot right now, what technologies are people using, and you might get ideas of why they are using those technologies. Because often when you're starting to build a project, you're thinking of what kind of a framework would I like to use. When working on an open source project, you see what other people are using, so it might give you tons of inspiration. If you're serious about coding something meaningful in 2025, start by actually solving your own problems. You will be the first customer you'll have, and that's fine. There's tons of examples about this from a YouTube channel called Starter Story. I'll link them down below. They have tons of interesting videos. You should definitely go check them out. And don't be afraid of building something that already works, but just build either a better or a different version of it. And while you are building it, why not do both? Why not build a better and a different version of it? I'll be sharing more project ideas and future projects I have in future videos. So subscribe if you want to build along with me. Also, comment down below what kind of a project do you want to build this year, or what kind of a project do you want to see me build this year. Please comment down below. See you in the next one. Thank you and take care. And I'm out.